All right, my sixth graders, let's go ahead and get this homework done. I'm going to start with the number 8. It says 9 pins. So, oh, I'm sorry. In 8 and 9, find the unit price. 9 pins for $3.60. So we know I have to divide 9 by 9 to get to 1, which means we'll divide 360 by 9, and that will give us 0.40. So that's 40 cents per 1 pin. All right, going to number 10. Determine which is the better value. Remember, we always want to find out what 1 is. We have $7.95 for 3 kilograms. So this would be $7.95 divided by 3 kilograms. And if we do this, I know that goes into twice. Leaving me with 1.95. I know 3 goes into 19 6 times. My decimals here. And that gives me 15 left over. And I know 3 goes into 15 5 times. So this first rate up here is going to be $2.65. Right? Says 3 kilograms for 1 kilogram. Okay, for 1 kilogram. All right, of charcoal. Let's look at the other one. The next one is $12.50 for 5 kilograms. So when I divide that, I'm going to get 5 going into 12 2 times. I'm going to get 5 going into 25 5 times. That leaves me nothing left over, so it's going to be $2.50. So over here is $2.50 for 1 kilogram. So which is the better value? Me paying $2.50 for 1 is a lot better than me paying $2.65. So I'm going to go with this one. Okay, 5 kilograms of charcoal for $12.50. All right, let's go to number 11, or number, so we're on the even ones, right? So I got number 12. Compare the rates to find which is the greater rate. 35 points in 20 minutes or 49 points in 35 minutes. So we're talking 35 in 20. That's 35 divided by 20. That goes into this one time. Let's see, and that gives me 15, right? I have to add a 0 here. 20 goes into 157 times for 140. And that leaves me 10, which I'll add a 0, and 20 goes into 100 5 times. So this is going to be 1.75 points for 1 minute. Okay, so this top one here, 1.75 per, that's points, right? Per 20 minutes or per 1 minute. And over here, we got 49 points in 35 minutes. So we'll do that over here. We've got 49 points, 35 minutes. I know that goes in at one time. It's going to give me 140 left over. 35 goes into 14. Let's see, that would go into it about, I want to say 3 times, maybe 4. I'm going to go with 4. 5 times 4 is 20. This would be 12, 13, 14. So that's exactly 4. This is 1.40. So on the second one, it's going to be 1.4 points for 1 minute. So as you can see, which one's greater? 35 points for 20 minutes is greater. All right, next, we're going on to number 14. Number 14 says, again, which is greater? 45 strikeouts in 36 innings or 96 strikeouts in 80. Over here, we got 45 in 36. So 36 goes into this one time, leaving us with 9. I'll add a 0 here. That's going to go into it 2 times, giving us 72. That's going to leave us with 18. And I'm going to add a 0 here. I think that's going to be multiplied to 5. And that'll be 30. And then 15 plus 3 is 18. Yep, perfectly. So that's 1.25. So that's 1.25 strikeouts per inning. Okay, per 1 inning. All right, so let's try this other one. This is going to be 96 strikeouts in 80 innings. Well, you know that 80 goes into 96 one time. Leaving me with 16 when I add a 0. 160, which would be 0.2. So that's only going to be 1.2 strikeouts, right, per inning. Which one is greater? Well, the first one, of course, 1.25. So 45 strikeouts in 36 innings will be greater. All right, let's check out number 16 now. Number 16 says, compare the rates to find which is the better value. We have $27 and for 4 large pizzas and $32 for 5 large pizzas. Well, first one is 27, right, for 4. So how much will be 1? That's going to be $6 per pizza there. Over here, we've got 32 for 5. We know this goes in at 6 times to get 30. And we're going to have $2 left over, right? And then we add a 0. This would be 4, so 6.4. So we've got, this was 20, oh, I'm sorry, this was 27. I'm glad I seen that mistake. Let's do that part over. That's going to give us 6 again. And now we're going to have 3 left over. When I add a 0, I'm going to make that 28. Because 8 times 7 is 28. Right? And that's going to give me 20 left over. And then we have 5. So the first one is $6.75. The better value is $6.40 for 1, right? Remember, this tells us how much 1 is. So I'm going to say $32 for 5 large pizzas is the better value. Number 18, 36 pictures for $8. Well, that's 36 pictures, right, for $8. Let's see, then how much would I get for $1? Well, 36 divided by 8 is, I know 32 goes in 4 times. Even there's 4 left over. When I add the 0, that's going to be 4.5. So that's $4.50, right? Oh no, that'd be 4.5 pictures, right? 4.5 pictures for, 4.5 pictures, not $4.50. 4.5 for $1. Okay. Per $1. Okay. Let's try the other one. 24 pictures for $5. When I do this, I'm going to find out how many pictures I'll get for $1. 5 goes into 24 4 times. Leave me 4 left over. And 5 goes into 48 times. So that's 4.8. So, and that's per dollar. So I'm getting more pictures, right, for $1 over here with 24 pictures for $5. All right, moving on to number 20. Looks like my last one. Which container of milk would you buy? I get a half gallon for $2.29. I get a gallon for $3.99. Well, let's see. I could go ahead and multiply this number by 2, right? Because you see that that would be $2.29, right? For 1/2 of the gallon. To find out what 1 is, I could take 229 and multiply it by the inverse. Remember, this is a fraction of fraction. We're going to use KFC. This will give me 2.29 over 1. We're multiplying that to the inverse of this, which is 2 over 1. So for 1 gallon, right, I'm going to be paying, let's see, that would be $4.58 for 1 gallon. Over here, I'm paying $3.99 for 1 gallon. So that tells me that better deal would be to pay $3.99 for 1 gallon. All right, that was all the ones that I had to go ahead and do. Looks like you're doing the rest. Good luck, and I'll see you in class to grade.